Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be using more of the palettes from the Jaclyn Hill Vault, and I'm also going to go back to her old one, basically because a lot of people wanted the Armed and Gorgeous palette, and that one sold out a lot quicker if you went to go get it from in stores or anything like that, or if you had to buy them individual, that one sold out the quickest. So there's a few shades in here that you can compare to that one, and that is what I'm kind of doing, is like a yellow eyeshadow look like she did in one of her recent videos, like right before you were actually able to buy her palettes. So I'm gonna do the look that's on my eyes right. I'm wearing a shirt. It looks like I'm not, but that's what I'm gonna do today. And besides that, I am also very excited. I actually had a short conversation with Wayne Goss on Twitter today, and one of the comments he left me that he was going to watch one of my videos or subscribe, it just completely made my day. If you don't know who that is, shame on you. Go find his videos, go subscribe to his channel. He always has tips and tricks, and my favorite ones is trends that must die for that year. He's really funny. He's very good at what he does. So thank you for that and for the inspiration to do my own videos. So this is the eye look that I will be doing. So if you would like to see how I did it, please keep watching, and thank you for clicking on. Okay, so to start, I already used the Maybelline Age Rewind. I use this more than all of my eye primers. I have a bunch of different ones from Bare Minerals, Lorac. I mean, I just have a lot of them from Sephora, but this is the one that I pick up the most, and I have that over the top of my eyes as like a prep to get like a very clean, even skin tone color, like a nice surface to work with. So to start, I'm using this Morphe brush. This is M441 to the old Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use this one up here. It is called Creamsicle, and this is going to go in the crease, a little above and a little bit below. From this point, there's nothing left on my brush, so I'm just going over everything and smoothing everything out, making sure to blend well. And in some areas it's a little heavier over here and I want more this way, so I'm going to drag some of that over to this direction before applying more makeup and then accidentally having too much on my eyelid. So then the next one I'm going to use is this shade called Rush, and this is in the Ring the Alarm palette. And I'm going to use a crease brush. This is by Younique. Most of my brushes are going to be Younique, Morphe, anything like Bare Minerals, and anything that comes with eyeshadow palettes. That's just what I have right now. I need to redo my brush collection. But I'm going to take a little bit on the tip of this, and this is going to go directly into the crease. And then same thing with this, when there's nothing left on my brush, I'm just going to continue to blend everything out. Next I'm going to go into the same exact palette, and I'm going to use the color On Camera, which is this gold one right here. And then I'm going to use another Younique brush. This is a liner shader brush. I'm going to use this end of it, and this is going to go directly over my eyelid. Next one I'm going to use is the second one here in the top row. This one is called Beam, and I'm going to use a very, very small pencil-like brush. This is going to go in the inner corner. That's a lot. So I'm going to wipe off my brush and kind of blend this a little bit better. Maybe. So right now everything looks messy, but I'm going to go in and do my eyeliner, mascara, and then come back and do the under eye. Okay, so what I did is I went ahead and did mascara on the top, a liquid eyeliner on top. Normally I use the Better Than Sex mascara and the Kat Von D Tattoo liquid eyeliner. Then I used MAC's eye kohls, and I used Costa Riche. It's very brown. I don't know if you can see. It's just a very brown color, and I use that on my waterline from corner to corner, and I feel like it actually looks really good because this is like the oranges and the yellows, and the brown really kind of ties in there. And I was trying to take a little bit of focus off this inner corner, but what I'll do with that instead too is I'm still going to do the lower lash line with this orangish, burnt orange shadow that I used earlier, which is Riche, and that's from the Ring the Alarm palette. Okay, so this is the finished eye look. I went ahead and just piled on mascara. I didn't want to do any lashes today because this is supposed to be a quick get ready for school or back to school, or just if you're in a rush like me all the time and running behind for work and you gotta just hurry up and go. This is what everything looks like. I'll change my lighting. And here's with no lighting. Let's see where I was at. So that is everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment on what you did like or what you didn't like, and feel free to follow me on all my social media platforms. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Everything is linked in the bio of my channel here on YouTube. So I hope you liked everything, and thank you for watching.